My name's Remy Martin. I'm a commercial manager at eXmoor Pharma. I'm here in Estoril at the Advanced Therapies Europe 2024 conference. 2024 has really been a pivotal year for eXmoor. We've made the full transition to being a full service cell and gene therapy CDMO. We've opened our new facility in Bristol in southwest England. It's been a fantastic opportunity to expand and grow our capabilities and really deploy the full 20 years of our cell and gene therapy manufacturing expertise into delivering clinical trial therapies for patients in need. It's been a fantastic couple of days here, really full of optimism for the entire sector. There's some great conversations ongoing, and it's clear that there's some real green shoots coming into the industry, investments starting to move again, and there's some fantastic discussions ongoing between us and partners and service providers. It's been a really optimistic feel for the past couple of days.